Realme phone call screen off problem. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Realme phone call screen off problem. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So find settings and click on it. Now scroll down. Here you can see notification option. Notification bar and status option can also be shown here. Just click on this option. Now click on app notification. Just click on this option. Now click on phone option. Now scroll down. Now click on incoming calls. Just click on this option. Now scroll down. Now check all the settings are correct here and go back. Now scroll down. Click on about phone. Now click on version and click on build number 6 or 7 times. Now go back, click on system. Now scroll down and here you can see developer option. Just open it. Now scroll down and find quick settings developer tiles, this option, and click on it. Now here you can see sensor of this option. Just turn on this option. Now swipe down notification bar and here you can see sensor off option. Just turn on this option. Now click on phone call app. Just long press on it and click on app info. Now scroll down. Here you can see storage and cache. Just click on this option. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. After all steps, I hope your issues solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.